Send the machine to the park position. Okay, send the machine home. Okay, now move in X and Y directions. That's in Y and now in X. And now simultaneously, X and Y. Okay, now back to home. Okay, and now select a job, or just go into utilities and do a little square. Okay, 2x2, whatever, 4x4, and start. And we're going to execute the job. And now go to the park position. And then go finally into the material library. And that's material library. We set to stainless steel, change it to mild steel. And we're going to go unshielded consumables and 25 amp, and we're going to go down to 20 gauge material. And now we're set and we're ready to run mild steel. Very good.